Hey everybody, so y'all, I brought my kids outside today. Yari, say hello.
Mom, my poor dad is here.
Get on there. Come on, let's turn it this way. Come on. Get up there. Get up. No, you gotta get on there. Come get on your bike. Get up there. Good job. Now hold on. Now push.
Yeah. Mom, I want to see
Alright, move your skateboard so we can record it. Come on, guys. Yeah. Yeah.
Mom,
Huh?
when
Uh-oh, you got duck. You got duck. Nuh-uh, Layla, she on the bike, you on the skateboard. Come on, Yari. Come on, Yari. Come on, Yari. She trying to go. And see, can you roll in the grass? It might just be meant for sidewalks only. Nope, you can't go in the grass. I wish it was a bigger spot, y'all. You guys, I wish it was a bigger spot where I can shoot and go. I'm gonna turn you back this way, okay? Go. Where you going? Yeah, you're in the grass. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Push. Push. Yeah, you can go in the grass. Come on. Push. 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 It's hard. It's hard. It is. You are. Come on. Go, girl. Don't hit the wall. Turn them back this way. Go. Come on. 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 Yard.
Wow, I can drive in the grass too.
Yep. Where you going? You can't go? Go. You can push. Go. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Boo. Yeah, look at my daughter. Layla, come on. Come on.
Me?
Show them what you can do on your skate.
Okay. I can jump both.
Come this way to the camera, Layla. Be careful now.
Okay.
Help your sister. Get her out that tight spot.
Are you okay?
Woo.
I'm driving. Yay! Mom, Dad's about to beat up the door.
Where y'all going?
And I can do this. I'll show you what I do.
Hey, y'all, give us some stars. Give us some gifts, y'all. We trying to make some bread because we got to go out of town to Junior's appointment coming up soon. And he's inside. He been sick, so we haven't been bringing him outside. my son being sick. So since my son been sick, we just been relaxing and we haven't been posting. But we tried to do y'all a little vlog today while I brought the girls outside. You know what I mean? Y'all, we are trying to get my kids and my family, smart glasses like Arcam or Envision glasses where it can read texts out loud like our mail and other things in that particular. We are trying to do that. Layla, bring her bike back this way, Layla. Yes. Come back, Yari. Don't let her go on the road. And we are trying to get funds for that. Y'all know them cameras is over $3,000, right? So if y'all can show me some love by sending me roses or gifts or whatever the case might be to help me reach my goal to give us that fund so that we can make our life more simple and better, that would be absolutely adorable. I would be so grateful for you guys, you know what I mean? But you guys, watch my kids.
Yes, I won.
They racing. Alright, wait, y'all go back. Layla, help your sister. And I'm gonna record you guys. Don't go too fast, Layla, because she on the thing, okay? Y'all gonna come. Go back, go over there to the by that bike over there. Alright, y'all get on your bike. Y'all get on your bike, baby. Layla, get on your skate. Y'all get on your bike, boo-boo. Y'all ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, come on. Come on, y'all. Come on. Come on, y'all. Come on. Yay! Y'all did it. Y'all did it. But anyways, you guys, we love you guys. And y'all keep watching us and supporting us. And we got more videos coming up as soon as possible when we go do junior hearing. Y'all know what his condition that he have. We gotta go make sure his hearing is okay. And we haven't gotten the results back for Yari, so but we will keep y'all updated. And I hope that y'all like my video. And I pray and hope that y'all continue to follow me on this journey. Sometimes life get hard, you know what I mean? Being a mom or, you know, sometimes you're a single mom or whatever the case might be. You might need someone out there to look out for you, you know what I mean? Be a blessing to you. So I'm going to do some giveaways. If I can get 1,000 followers on my YouTube channel and 1,000 likes, y'all just help my YouTube channel grow, because I'm trying to do something big over there as well. Right now I gotta just do verification, because that's what they making you do now. They trying to make sure you're a real person on YouTube or whatever the case might be. So once all that gets said and done, set in stone. Ooh, that sun's so damn bright. But once everything gets set in stone, you guys, we would definitely do something over there as well. My daughter got her skateboard right here. Y'all think I can do it? And she moved it. My daughter think that she got comfort in her mom, but I'm not about to get on no skateboard right now. But yeah. Y'all gotta go together.
Yes, I won. Yari was going to.
Come on, Yari.
Mom, now
Push it, Yari.
I'm to see.
Yari, this way. Keep on the side. Make sure she's going straight. to make sure she's going straight. She's learning how to ride it. So you're supposed to help her. Ooh, yo, you went over my feet. Come on. Push, Yari, push. You're not going straight, Yari. You want to go straight, Yari? You want to go straight, Yari? Ooh, it got stuck. Say stuck. Say stuck. Your gas, you stuck. You gotta bag it back. You gotta bag it back. Say bad back. Say bad back. Say bad back. Say bad back. Anyways, you guys, we out.